Good Monday afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. We've been seeing some rain throughout parts of the Central Valley, even some areas of snow, but it's a different story up in the Devil's Lake Basin. Seeing some blue sky out there, but Devil's Lake, this is your heads up now that things will look very, very different in just a couple of days. So enjoy these temperatures now. We're at 39 in Devil's Lake, 43 out in Jamestown, 37 here in Fargo, 45 up in Grand Forks, a little bit more sunshine, 36 Detroit Lakes, 39 in Wadena. Now let's talk about that snowstorm that's on everyone's minds. It's going to start Tuesday, continue through Friday, but we've highlighted Wednesday and Thursday as our first alert weather days with the highest impacts locally. A significant winter storm is likely, and there will be areas that see 1 to 2 feet of snow and near blizzard or straight up blizzard conditions. Let's walk you through this afternoon first. Those areas of showers will continue on and off. Might even hear a few rumbles of thunder down in the Southern Valley today with some of those showers that develop, but severe weather is not expected. Temperatures warming up into the 40s with not a lot of wind. Then we start to see clouds increase out of the south through the overnight hours. And here is the beginnings of the storm. It's going to start down in southwestern North Dakota with snow, gradually lift to the north and east through the day. There's that heavy snow out west where we're talking some substantial amounts. It's going to be primarily through Tuesday and into Wednesday. Meanwhile, across the valley, we will have some areas of snow, some areas of rain down in the Southern Valley and into adjacent northwest Minnesota before we see that kind of transition. This is now Tuesday night, 8:10 p.m. We could very likely see what's called a dry slot right close to the center of the low pressure system where air is dry enough where we see a break in the precipitation. However, it likely won't last long. If that does develop, we'll start to see that fill in with more rain and more snow by late Tuesday night and right into Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, your first alert weather days, again with those highest impacts locally. Right now, we're under a winter storm watch beginning tomorrow evening, continuing through Friday morning. Anywhere in this yellow shaded area has a chance to see 8 or more inches of snow and gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour. There is talk that the National Weather Service will be upgrading this to a winter storm warning or maybe some areas of a blizzard warning later this afternoon. So stay tuned for those updates on your Valley News Live weather app, online, on social media. We do have a blizzard warning in western North Dakota for the areas there in purple from tomorrow morning through Thursday evening. 12 to 24 inches of snow. That's 1 to 2 feet and gusts to or over 50 miles per hour. So now we've been saying the milk and bread days. It's time to make your preparations. We could see that again, significant heavy wet snow that could lead to power outages with that heavy wet snow impacting trees, potentially breaking tree limbs and falling onto those power lines. Alter or cancel your travel plans. Travel will likely become very difficult, if not impossible. So prepare for closures, not only to roads, but to schools, businesses, etc. And there's, of course, that risk to newborn livestock as we are in early spring calving season. So let's go through your hour by hour here from Tuesday night and into Wednesday now. So that area of rain lifting in, snow heaviest out to the west, but we will see some of that heavy snow in the Devil's Lake Basin. Meanwhile, there's going to be a sharp cutoff line of rain to snow. So amounts are still questionable in parts of the southern Red River Valley and adjacent northwestern Minnesota. But more snow and more wind on the back end as we head through Thursday and into Friday. Here's what we know right now. The area circled here in pink, that's the best potential for 1 to 2 feet of snow. The greatest area of uncertainty, I'm sorry to say, it does include Fargo. I know many people here in Fargo are going to be impacted, but there are still a lot of questions that we will be fine-tuning into this afternoon and, of course, into tomorrow as well. Enjoy today because, yeah, JC, things turn Wednesday into Thursday and then temperatures much cooler.
Gotta get the snowblower ready.
Yeah, actually, yes.
Thank you, Summer.